Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and I have a nice pair of Zippos to look at. But first, I just received a nice commemorative of the recent election. Nice coffee cup, printed on two sides. Pretty nice. So let's take a look at these Zippos. First one is on high polished chrome, and it was made in, looks like January of, I think that's 15. Pretty good stampings. You can see Bradford, PA, made in USA. If you look at the front, it has two plates, 3 kings and 1 ace, and the whole card is another ace. So that's a pretty strong full house. That's a nice one. And the next one is similar. It's on street chrome, and it was made in J of 21. Good stampings on this one. So that has 2 8s, 2 aces, and the whole card is the Zippo Joker. That would make it 3 8s and 2 aces, or the dead man's hand. This one fires up nice. We can do a drop test on this one. So the dead man's hand passes the drop test. That is a good one. And I'm definitely going to give these made in USA Zippos some cowbell. Knock a bomb.